Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this laptop rolling bag. I already had this for over a year now, and this is a great laptop rolling bag. I like all the compartments that it has and how durable it is and how easy it is to travel with this. So let's get into it and I'll show you how much stuff that you can actually fit in here. So first it has convenient buckle clips right here. So it keeps your laptop nice and safe, protected. It has this nice handle. You open it like so. You can fit a lot of items in here. So this is very bulky. And you can fit this thick case in here. And you still have space to put more items in here. So you just clip it like so. On the sides, you have these big zippers. So you can fit all your files, your laptops in here. So there's 4 different sections. Inside here is more compartments. You lower that zipper, you can fit your cell phone, business cards, and other items, and more items inside here. And it even has a zipper on the inside, and you're able to fit more documents inside here. On the side here, more compartments. You can see that it has this extending handle, so it makes it easy to drag it with you so you don't have to lift it. And then you just press this button here just to bring it all the way down. So it's very convenient to have. Overall, this is a great laptop rolling bag. I like how much space that it has inside and all the different compartments that it has. I also like how it has the handle if you want to carry it, and it has the other handle on the back if you want to drag it while it's on the floor. The wheels work very well, and it even has small little legs to keep it upright. The base of the bag is very sturdy, and I also like the material of the bag. It's very durable and holds up to anything that you throw at it.